Hi, I want to introduce my new AI employee, TARS. Let's see. Let's see what he can do. Okay. First of all, TARS from Interstellar. Of course, you know who is that. So now I'm going to my Chrome browser. Look at this. Audio is on. Let's see if you can see that. No, okay, let's go to this scene so you could follow me. Now.
Human voice online. I still refuse to do accents.
Okay, he can speak. Now, let's try to tell him, let's say, hi. Enter. Processing. You see, he's processing. Ooh.
Sir, what do you need?
Okay, it took a couple of seconds. Now, I want to turn on voice link on and see what can we ask him. Let's say,
voice link open. Talk over me anytime. I can take it.
what is Bitcoin today, the price? Here, he typed, what is Bitcoin today? Processing. Oh, he's moving fast. Not really fast. Processing. Oh, he's searching for... So he gave the price of Bitcoin $64,000 something plus. And I want to tell you that my TARS has capabilities, fire crawl and web search. So that's why he can get any info right now, the prices and information from Hacker News, from Yahoo Finances, and so on. Now, I want to show you, demonstrate you something really incredible.
Human voice online. I still refuse to do accents.
Okay, this is his human voice, and it has also robotic, like TARS voice.
Back to factory settings.
Okay, I push these buttons at the top right corner, you see? And now there is humor, honesty, and FX volume dials. So let's crank up the humor.
82%. This will end badly for someone's ego.
Okay, he's smart. Now let's hear it with the human voice.
Human voice online. I still refuse to do accents.
We know that already. We established that.
84% honesty. Expect accurate news, gently delivered.
Okay. And now we'll try to, let's say, voice link on, and we'll talk to him a little bit.
Voice link open. Talk over me anytime. I can take it.
What can you do for me? Processing. You see, he's processing here. He will give answer. What can he do? Now he typed it. I can write and review code.
I can write and review code, debug your projects, search for current information like those Bitcoin prices you're tracking, help with your dashboards and tools, schedule tasks, and monitoring jobs, and keep your project context straight across sessions. What specifically needs doing?
That's amazing, I think. So this is TARS, and I'm Alex, Virtual Oranges. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.